day is rotation of Earth. We know that Earth, it is the world or planet where we live, planet where we live. Okay, this Earth has two types of movement. Earth can move, yes, Earth can move. First type of movement will called rotation of Earth. So Earth move around itself as we see in this figure. Called what? Called rotation of Earth. So when you have a question asks you about rotation of Earth, that means Earth move around dot. Around what? Yes, around itself. Around what? Around itself. Excellent. Okay. Then the Earth make one complete turn. One complete turn around itself every 24 hours. 24 hours equal how much days? 1 day. We know that during the day we have 24 hours during the day, okay? Part of this hour will be 12 hours at or in the morning time till sunset, another 12 hours at night time. Okay, so there is phenomena or natural happening in nature happen as a resulting of Earth rotation. This phenomena will be sequence of day and night. Sequence equal after. Sequence equal after. Okay, so in this picture we found that day and here is a night comes after day directly. Okay, so day after night means sequence of day and night. And in this figure we found that Earth move around itself in front of what? Sun. Okay. A day. Alright. Day, it is time. I use day for time. Between what? Between sunrise, okay? Like this picture. Look at this picture, okay? When the sun become white or bright, here is sunrise. And when the sun become orange, here is time of sunset. So, time between sunrise, okay, here is sunrise, sun comes from east, okay, and time till the sun going to west, time of sunset, this will be a day time. Day happens when? Okay, they happen when our part of Earth, like this one, this part of Earth turns toward the sun. This is the sun, and here is the part of Earth directed toward the sun. So this part will be what? Will be bright. This part will be what? Will be bright, and the time at this part will be what? Will day. Okay, night. It is time. We found that time comes when sky become dark. So, is the when the sun goes down toward west, and sunrise when the sun coming out toward east. This time between sunset and sunrise is called what? Night. And if inverse time between sunrise and sunset, day. Excellent. Okay. Night happens when? Night happens when our part of Earth turns away from the sun. How does it mean? There is the sun, and in the opposite way of the sun, here is dark part. At this dark part, it will be night time. Okay. The second type of movement of Earth's revolution, moving of Earth around the sun. Do you remember first movement of Earth? Yes, I remember. The first movement of Earth called what? Called Earth rotation. Called what? Earth rotation. Alright. The second type of movement will be Earth revolution. Will be Earth revolution. Okay? Moving of Earth around the sun. Like this picture. Here is sun in the middle, and here is the Earth move around the sun in a green orbit, as you see. In a green orbit around the sun. Okay. This revolution has time. Time of revolution takes 365 and quarter days. 365 and quarter days. And this number of days, the same of 1 year. So when I ask you, Earth revolution takes 1 year for one complete revolution. Okay, while Earth rotation takes what? Yes, excellent. So when I have comparison, when I have this comparison between Earth rotation and Earth revolution. Okay, in this side, in Earth's rotation, Earth, yes, move around, yes, around the sun or itself, yes, around it, so, excellent, around it, so, while here, yes, Earth moves, yes, around the sun. Excellent. Okay. Can you tell me or remember the time of Earth rotation and time of Earth's revolution? Yes. Earth's rotation will take, yes, you remember, yes, 24 hours, which equal 1 day. While here in Earth's revolution, it will take 365 and quarter days equal 1 year. Excellent. Here is comparison or differences between Earth's rotation and Earth's revolution. Alright. The natural phenomena resulting from this Earth's revolution, this is called what? winter, number 1. After winter, spring coming. After spring, summer coming. And after summer, fall or autumn is coming. Okay, do you see or look at this picture? You will find 4 seasons. The first one at the snow picture will be winter, at the brightened picture will be spring, and when this tree has any leaves it will be fall, and there is spring when the tree is brightly green. Okay, let's see that we have 4 seasons. Here is at winter. Look at the picture of winter. You found that there is what? Yes, rain. There is what else? Snow. Okay. What do you think about the weather? Yes, weather will be cold, hot, or fine. Yes, cold weather. Cold weather. Okay. And the second season with me is what? Spring. What do you see in this picture? You see a lot of flowers and a lot of butterfly, and the weather will be, what do you think? Fine. Yes, the weather will be fine. The season number 3, it will be summer. Okay, we all of us feel hot in summer, so that we go to the sea, and the weather will be sunny and hot. The sun will bright at the sky, and the weather is very hot, so we getting down to the sea. We see also ships and sail in the sea as we looking at this picture. Here is umbrella, and here is a chair, sea chair, to sit on the shore of the sea. The last season with me, it will be fall. Fall has another name, equal autumn. And autumn, we found that leaves of the tree falling down on earth. So leaves of tree falling down on earth during fall or spring, during fall. Alright, so at winter, weather is dot and dot. Excellent. Weather will be cold, yes, and rainy. So we will wear heavy clothes or light clothes, okay? Heavy or winter clothes. Heavy or winter clothes. Yes. Why? Because it is rainy or cold. Alright. The hours of day in winter are shorter than hours of night. How it was? Or hours of night, it will be longer than hours of night. So that we will find in winter, night comes at 5 p.m. extremely. Night will start at 5 p.m. at sunset time in winter. So that from 5 p.m. starting the winter to the next day, so the night will longer than what? Yes, the night will longer than day. Night will longer than day. Alright. Then, in summer, the weather is what? Yes, hot and sunny. So, we wearing summer clothes. Excellent. will be longer than hours of night. Then we will go to the sea at summer, okay? Alright. Let's see the third season with me. It will be the spring. Yes. Spring, the weather is fine, not cold and not hot. The weather is fine, not cold and not hot. The hours of day equal hours of night. And we see in the picture flowers and the plants thrive. What's the meaning of thrive? They will be good state. They will be in good state and grow healthy. They very healthy, bright color of flowers and trees. Okay, the last season with me, it will be fall or called autumn. Excellent, yes. The weather is windy, like this symbol. This is a symbol of windy, means what? Strong air, strong air. Yes, the hours of day and night are equal. Like what? Like spring. The day and night are equal at spring and fall. Okay, I will ask you the hours of day will be equal at dot and dot. Yes, yes, excellent. I hear you. At spring and fall. While the hours of day will be longer than hours of night and yes, I hear you, excellent, of day is at summer. And the hours of night will be longer than hours of day at winter. Okay? Any question? Okay. Thank you, Junior 4, and I wish you a very interesting lesson. All right.